Okay, well, hi everybody, welcome back. If you're a regular subscriber of my channel, uh, just a precursor here, this may be of no interest to you whatsoever, and maybe very different from the regular type of content I usually share at the barn and stuff like that. I just decided to make this video and to share it on my YouTube channel because as an accounting instructor, I get this question relatively consistently, especially anyone that's using Google Sheets for journal entries, um, financial statement creation, and that sort of thing. So that's who this is for, and if you find it and it helps, I'm glad that I posted it here on my channel for you. So the question always is, how do you double underline or sometimes the suggestion is you can't double underline in Google Sheets. And from an accounting perspective, that's important. It's a formatting requirement during the creation of and the presentation of financial statements. Certain figures you need double underline. It's just a required formatting in accounting. So the classified balance sheet, as an example, you're seeing an example of that here. Double underlines for total assets figure, and total liabilities and owner's equity figure is required formatting. So it's kind of a roundabout process in Google Sheets, but you can do it. This is how you do it. So if I want that total assets number double underline, just highlight the cell. You have to come up here to borders. So the borders button here from the toolbar here. Just click on borders. Click on a bottom border and that'll put in a bottom border for you. But right now it's a single border. You've got to make sure you select double and essentially two steps. Select the bottom border for the cell and select the double line or border style. Click off. You see there's the double underline. I'll do it one more time for you here for total liabilities and owner's equity. Click on the cell, borders, bottom border, double underlined, already selected because it's now defaulting to that, whatever I left off with. And there it is, proper double underline formatting for the classified balance sheet, total assets, total liabilities, and owner's equity. So there you have it. Very straightforward, pretty simple process, double underlines in Google Sheets. Hope that helps anybody that's inquiring about how to do that. Take care. Have a great day.